Hi, my name is Shana from WTI.
So I really love having iced coffee in the morning. My coffee machine does brew iced coffee. However, it does get watered down and diluted by the time the warm coffee hits the ice. So I was really happy to find the HyperChill. The HyperChill chills beverages in 60 seconds, so it's perfect for coffees and teas, but you can also use it to chill wines and spirits. It's really cool that it has the stainless steel inside and it just uses water. No chemicals or gels are used for the freezing process, and it freezes in 12 hours. It's awesome that I can brew right into the bottle. It's so easy to use. You just fill, shake, and pour. So it's great if you like your martini shaken and not stirred. It holds up to 12 ounces of liquids, and I love being able to drink my full flavored, undiluted coffee. I love the ease of the cleanup, the refill, and the refreezing so I can have iced coffee day by day.
And that's my point of view.